In our previous video, we set up the business manager, created an ad account and added a payment method. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process of creating an ad. We are currently in the business settings page. Click on the menu on the top left-hand side of the window and select Ads Manager. If you are creating an ad for the first time, you will receive a pop-up requesting you to review and accept the Facebook ad policy. Once ready to accept it, click on I accept. You will have to indicate to Facebook if you are going to use this ad account to run any ads focusing on politics or issues of national importance. Now, click Create. You will see the ad creation interface. Facebook has divided ad campaigns into 3 categories. Category number 1, Awareness. Category number 2, Consideration. Category number 3, Conversion. It is important to understand the categories and objectives so that we can create the right kind of ad for the right audience with the right objective. In the category Awareness, there is brand awareness and reach. These objectives are chosen when you want to generate interest in your product or service offerings. You may choose brand awareness to reach people who are more likely to be interested in it. It shows the ad to people who are more likely to remember it if asked within 2 days of seeing the ad. Reach objective is chosen to show the ad to as many people as possible in your target audience. The objective Consideration is chosen when you want to create curiosity and interest in your target audience about your business. They would want to get more information about your business due to their interest. The first objective in the Consideration category is Traffic. It is used to drive more people to a website, a landing page, Facebook Messenger, or an app. The next objective is Engagement. It is selected to get more likes, comments, and shares on your page, events, etc. App Install is used to get more people to install your app. The Video Views objective is used to increase the number of views of the video content published. The next objective is Lead Generation. This is used to capture details of the target audience like their phone number, email ID, name, etc. to contact them for business purposes. The last one in this category is Messages. It is used when you want more people to contact your business through Facebook Messenger. The third category is Conversion. It is generally used by businesses having a physical office or an e-commerce store. Conversion objective is used to get people to take valuable actions on the website, in the app, or in the messenger, such as adding payment information or making a purchase. Catalog sales objective is used mainly by e-commerce company. These ads automatically show items from the catalog based on your target audience. The last objective is store traffic, which is used to drive more footfall to a physical store or a retail outlet. Let us now create an ad using the traffic objective. The major part of the ad creation procedure is similar across all the objectives with minor changes. Give a name to the campaign that clearly states the purpose of creating this ad. As you can see, you can do an A/B test for the campaign. In marketing terms, the A/B test means creating two similar ads with only one difference between them. It helps the advertiser to analyze which ad version performs better. You can create an A/B test, keeping either the creative or ad placements or audience or delivery strategies different. We will understand the meaning of these as we move along. As of now, let's keep this option off. Campaign budget optimization is to optimize the budget across different ad sets. When you create multiple ad sets within a campaign, Facebook evaluates the performance of each ad set and automatically allocates more budget to the ad set which is performing well. In this example, we have only one ad set and so keep this option off. Click Continue. Give a unique name to the ad set. Now select whether you want to drive traffic to your website, app, Messenger or WhatsApp. If we select WhatsApp, it asks to select a page that we manage. After that, it prompts us to connect with the WhatsApp account to the page so that people can send a WhatsApp message. Let's select the option to drive traffic to the website. We can keep this option on if we are testing multiple creatives. Let's keep it off for now. If you want to announce an exclusive offer to people viewing this ad, you can select this option. It is used more by companies selling online to entice the customers to visit their website. Let us keep this option off. The next is the most important part of ad creation, that is, defining your target audience. You can create a new audience or use a saved audience. Let's first look at how we can create a new audience. Click on Create a New Audience. It shows two ways: Custom Audience and Lookalike Audience. A custom audience is chosen to target people who already have interacted with your business before, either by visiting your website, downloading your app, or purchasing on your app. Or your existing customer list, viewed your video on your Facebook page, visited or interacted with your Instagram profile or your Facebook events, filled up a lead form, etc. Facebook also allows you to create a look-alike audience from an existing database of your customers. The database can be uploaded in a CSV format. Once the database is uploaded, you can add their location. It also allows you to select an audience size range from 1% to 10%. 1% resembles very closely to your selected customer database. The farther you go, the more is the variation. Let's move ahead towards location targeting. Let us select Mumbai as a location. You can select a country, a city, or some selected areas of the city. There is an option of adjusting the radius of the city selected to help you also select locations on the outskirts. Facebook also provides an option to select specific locations within the city like Chandni Chowk or Andheri West, etc. Let us keep it as Mumbai. We can also choose people living in a location or recently are residing in a location or are traveling to the selected location. Next is age-based targeting. For this example, let's select 30 to 45 years. As you keep on adding these details, if you look at the right-hand side, you will see that Facebook shares an estimated reach of the ad, as well as the number of people likely to click the link in the ad. If you want to show ads to people from multiple languages, you can choose the specific language. If you keep it blank, it will by default show this ad to everyone irrespective of their language preference. The next is the detailed targeting option and is the heart of targeting the right audience. You can target people based on their demographics, interests, and behaviors. If you know your target audience very well, it can be very advantageous for you to reach them. The demographics allows you to reach people based on their education, employment, lifestyle, etc. Interests allows you to reach people based on their activities, pages they like, etc. Behaviors help you to reach people based on their intent, previous purchase behavior, devices they use, etc. Click on the drop-down individually to understand more in detail the parameters you can use for detailed targeting. Let us say we want to show this ad to people who are high net worth individuals. We can target them based on the mobile phones they use, for example, iPhone, or people who are frequent international travelers or expats who live abroad. If you click on suggestions, Facebook will give you multiple suggestions. Try it out and add more parameters to your detailed targeting options. You can show these ads to people who like your page or are friends of people who like your page, or to choose to not show it to people who like your page. Similar options are available for apps and events as connection types. You can save this audience and use it for other ads as well. You can also choose to further narrow down the audience by selecting attributes that match in addition to those selected before. You may also choose to exclude a certain section of the audience that meets a specific criteria. Or you can expand your detailed targeting, which allows Facebook to decide and reach more people to improve the ad's performance. The estimates on the right-hand side are updated every time you make any changes to the ad. You can choose the ad placements as well, that is, where these ads should be shown to the audience. Should it be shown to audience having all devices, or on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and on audience network? It's best to keep this option as automatic and let Facebook decide the ad placements. The next part is selecting the budget and schedule. In this case, the options are to choose link clicks, that is, people will click and visit the website, or you may choose that they visit a landing page. The ad can be shown only once a day to the users, or deliver ads to people as many times as possible. Let us keep it as link clicks. The budget can be set to a daily budget or a lifetime budget. If you are running ads for the first time or still figuring out things, I would suggest you run ads on a low budget and understand what works for you and what doesn't. Once the ads start performing well, you can gradually increase the budget. Let's keep the lifetime budget as Rs 500. You can run the ad for 24 hours or run it at some specific times during the day. You can also select the delivery type. It can be standard or accelerated. A standard delivery gets results throughout the schedule, whereas an accelerated one will spend the budget quickly to give you results as quickly as possible. Click Continue. In the next step, we have to set up the ad. Let's give a name to the ad. Select the Facebook page and Instagram account associated with your account. The next step is to choose the ad format. It can be a single image or a video, a carousel which consists of 2 or more scrollable images or videos, or a collection which can be a group of items that opens as full screen. You can also choose to add an instant experience. It is a mobile optimized landing page that opens instantly when people interact with your ad. It's okay if you choose not to add an instant experience. Let us select a single image as an ad format and add the image. Click Add Media and select images from our page. One thing you must always check when you are using a single image ad: Facebook has certain specifications for the amount of text you can have on an image ad. To check whether you meet the specifications or not, then open a new tab and go to the link www.facebook.com/ads/tools/text_overlay. Click Upload and select the ad image. Here it says it's okay. Typically, your image should have less than 20% text on the ad image. Click the FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions section on the right-hand side to know more about it. The next step is to fill the primary text, which will be the ad copy. If you choose to test multiple options, you can add other options. Then add the headline, followed by the website link of the website where the user will be navigated to when he or she clicks. We can also select a call to action from multiple options available. Keep the other parts below as it is and click Review to check all the details. Once we are sure that there are no further changes required, click Confirm. This submits the ad for review to Facebook. Normally it takes only a few hours to a day for it to review and schedule the ad or reject it. You can check the status in the Ads Manager. Once the ad starts delivering, the Ad Manager will also show important metrics related to the ad. Now let us look at the lead generation type of campaign, since it has few additional steps that have to be performed for ad creation. Select the lead generation objective and follow the same process until we reach the ad setup part. One thing you have to note is that to run a lead generation ad, it is mandatory to have a privacy policy page on your website mentioned in the link. Now here we can see the instant form. It is a form a user has to fill up if he or she needs to share their contact details with the advertiser. Let's create a new form. Name it. You can choose either the more volume option or higher intent option. More volume results in direct submission of the details. It may sometimes result in less serious inquiries due to a user clicking unknowingly and there is no confirmation. A higher intent option will ask the user to confirm the details before sharing it with the advertiser. Since the intro section is optional, let's keep it off. Add the details or questions you want the user to answer and submit it to you, like their name, email ID, phone number, etc. There are multiple fields you can choose from. Keep the form fields to a minimum so that the users don't have to provide a lot of details, as it will be more time consuming. Then add the privacy policy website link. The review screen will be seen by the user before submitting the details. This is followed by the thank you screen. Once done, add the finish button and your lead form is created. To see the details filled in by the leads, go to your page. Click on Publishing Tools. Scroll below to the lead ad forms and click on Forms Library. All the leads will be available here and can be downloaded for further communication. You can also review the lead form created. Another way of running paid promotions is by boosting a post on your page. Open your page and go to the post section. Here below the post, there is the Boost Post option. Click Boost Post. Now, you have the option to get more post engagements or have more messenger conversations with the audience. You can choose the call to action. Here it is Learn More. Add the web link which they will be navigated to once they click Learn More. Then add your targeting details as we did for the traffic ad created previously. The next step is ad budgeting and scheduling. Now click Boost. On submitting, you will be redirected to the Ads Manager where you can see the ad and corresponding analytics. Hope This video helped you understand the basics of Facebook ad marketing and the process of ad creation. A quick recap of what we learned in this video. We look at different campaign types based on the objectives, created an ad, learned various concepts like detailed targeting, budgeting, schedule, lead forms, etc. We also learned how to boost a post that has been published on our timeline. This marks the end of our Facebook marketing module. Check out our other videos on our channel to learn about different aspects of digital marketing. This video is created by Team SalesPanda. SalesPanda is an advanced marketing automation platform for channel partners, delivering efficient and easy-to-use channel marketing solutions for resellers, distributors, partners, agents and dealers. SalesPanda platform has made wide-scale applications in various industry verticals including mutual fund and financial services, insurance, real estate, information technology, etc. SalesPanda is an easy-to-use, hassle-free and scalable SaaS-based platform designed to help brands and their channel partners optimize their digital reach in no time. For more such videos about digital marketing, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get instant notifications when we upload a new video.